Hey everyone, ever imagined a giant ship sailing through land? Sounds crazy, right? But guess what? It happens every day at the Panama Canal. This amazing waterway cuts right through Panama in Central America. It connects the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. Before the canal, ships had to take a super long and dangerous trip all the way around South America, past scary places like Cape Horn. This made trading between the east and west coasts of the Americas really hard and expensive. But the Panama Canal changed everything. Now, ships can just cruise through the canal, saving weeks of travel time. This makes trading way faster and cheaper. For hundreds of years, people dreamed of an easier way to travel between the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. They knew a shortcut would be awesome for trade and travel. Some even thought about building a canal through Panama way back in the 1500s. The United States really saw how important a canal in Panama could be. In the late 1800s, the US was becoming a big, powerful country. They wanted a quicker way to move their navy ships and trading ships between the two oceans. After a French company tried and failed, the US took over the project in the early 1900s. They were determined to make this dream come true. Building the Panama Canal was a huge job. It was one of the biggest and hardest engineering projects ever. Thousands of workers from all over the world came to Panama to help. These workers faced tons of problems. The jungle was hot, sticky, and full of nasty diseases like malaria and yellow fever. Plus, landslides were a big danger. They had to move mountains of dirt and rock with the tools they had back then. But even with all these challenges, they never gave up. After years of hard work, the Panama Canal was finally finished in 1914. The Panama Canal has changed the world in big ways. It totally changed how we trade and travel. Ships carrying stuff from everywhere now use the canal every day. This makes trading between countries faster, cheaper, and easier. The canal has also been great for Panama. It helped their economy and made them a super important place for shipping. Even today, the Panama Canal is a really important waterway, connecting countries and cultures all over the world. It shows what people can do when they work together to solve even the toughest problems.